What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps on your Huawei Watch 3 or Huawei Watch 3 Pro smartwatches for better productivity. So here we go. So the Huawei Watch 3 comes with Harmony OS 2.0 that brings the capability of downloading applications on the smartwatch of Huawei. So to install them, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, and after that you have to go to the settings, scroll down and go to the part where you will find the app gallery. Just tap on this and after that you will come to this screen. If you have not logged in into the Huawei Health application on your smartphone, then it might ask you to first enter your Huawei account credential. So after that you will come on this screen, and here you will get the first option is search. After that we got the featured, under which you will find some popular applications, and after that we got the option to update the downloaded applications, a list of all of the applications installed. You can see it is showing no ops. Then we got the settings as well, whether you would like to all those downloaded apps to be updated automatically when you are connected with Wi-Fi, or auto install applications over Wi-Fi, or you get the update notification. It's totally up to you, or check for updates. So these are the basic settings. So what we have to do, the first thing is that you can have a look on the featured applications and tap on show more to get the list of all of the featured applications from the Huawei's app gallery. For example, we got the Angami music player. I'm not sure, I think it's some Russian application, Cron, SYOK, SOS. We got the Emirates airline application as well. So lots of stuff is there. Dubai Sports, Anywheel. So for example, here is the Pedal Maps. That's Huawei's very own navigation application. So if we want to install it, I can just tap on this and install, or you can just go to the main screen and then tap on search and then tap on this keyboard icon, and then you can search for whatever application you would like to download. So let's try the Pedal Map. So I just typed Pedal. Instead of that, let's try Maps, and let's see how many maps applications we got. Most probably it will show only the Pedal Maps because it's Huawei's very own navigation application. So once you go here, you will get the detail page. Here you can see all of the screenshots of the app. Here it is free. There is description of the application, and the developer is Huawei, and here is the install button. So if I just tap on this, you can see that the app download is started and it is being installed on my device. So it's installed, I can launch it. So here you can see that to use the Pedal Maps, I need to be connected with my phone, and then only I will be able to use it. So for example, let's assume now I want to install any radio application to listen online radio or something. Let's see if it is available. Okay, so we got multiple options. 3 options are showing. Let's download the first one, Radio Line, I think Watch 3 series it says. Let's try it. And here we go. So you can see that the Radio Line application is working. I don't know what they're saying. I just went to a random channel in Germany. Here we got music as well. So this is how you can also install a radio streaming application to listen music on your Huawei Watch 3, and this is the exact same method that you can use to install any applications. You can either just search for the keyword and go through the search result, or you can just go to featured and go through all of the list of applications and then install some of them. So here if I go to my app drawer, here you can see the Pedal Maps and Radio Line is showing in the list of applications. So this is how you can download applications on your Huawei Watch 3 and Watch 3 Pro. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to show your support by subscribing the channel, liking this video and sharing it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.